Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels lagging problem in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or other iOS device and when you have play Instagram Reels on your iPhone and facing the issue that your Reels are lagging. So guys, you can easily fix this problem, so let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, there are a couple of ways to fix this problem. The first way is you have to open your app store on your iPhone or on your iPad, and here you need to search Instagram. So guys, click on your Instagram. The main reason of this problem is your update problem. If you have not updated your app, you will see many of lagging problem and you will facing many bugs on your app. So guys, simply first of all you have to update your app, and after doing update your problem will be fixed. And guys, the second method is you have to open your settings, scroll it below, click on general, scroll it down, and here is the option of iPhone storage. You have to click on this, and now you have to wait for some seconds, scroll it below. From here you have to click on Instagram and you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again from here, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.